Hey, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the subtotal function in Excel, which are very important for Excel user. Okay, the subtotal are automatically sum, count or average, different group of cell, and you will learn by this tutorial how to display or hide the subtotal details, copy only subtotal row, and how to remove subtotal. Okay, let's start. And here you see that the year of income and the control name and income figure. Okay, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 year, and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 country. Now we calculate the per year of total income and average income. Okay, and let's start here subtotal. Okay, and write subtotal. Okay, and here you see that various function are available in there. Okay, and this function are used for various types of calculation. Okay, such as average, calculate the average of number, and count non-empty cell. Okay, and here you see that max, return the largest value, and min, return the smallest value. Okay, and you also see that product, calculate the product of cells. Okay, and now we can prove this by calculation. We start by sum, and here you see that sum means 9. Okay, because of sum stand in 9 position. Okay, sum. The sum function are very common for subtotal calculation. Okay, and we write sum, write comma, and cover this area. Okay, close bracket, enter. You see that the sum figure are covered in this area. Okay, and if we cover this within 7 countries, okay, here you see that this is sum figure of total income within 8 years of those countries. And now we try to understand what's the difference between sum and subtotal sum. Okay, and we write sum. Here you that sum and cover this area, close bracket, enter. You see that this figure are sum. Okay, but here is different, and we filter this area. We cover only 2002 and 2003 and 4. Okay, this area. Here you see that this figure are reduced, but it's constant. Okay, that's the main difference between sum and subtotal sum. Okay, and you see that this row also height 6 to 9, here is 3 row are height, and you see that 11 to 15, here is 4 row are height. Okay, but the sum figure did not show it, only subtotal figure indicate this, that this row are height. Okay, and the subtotal figure are very important because of this function always try to show us the category wise result of any data. Okay, in Microsoft Excel, the subtotal feature is not limited to only totaling subset of values within dataset. Okay, it allows you to group and summarize your data using sum, count, average, min, max, and other function. Okay, and additionally it creates a hierarchy of groups known as outline, which list you display or hide the detail for each subtotal. Okay, and here you see that if we calculate this with count, okay, this normal count, and here is 8 character, and to cover this, here is 8 character, and we clear this filter, here is 8 character. Okay, but and subtotal, okay, count 2, and we'll cover this. Okay, here is also 8 character, but when we filter this, only 2004, you see that here is only 1 character, but the sum figure are constant. Okay, only normal count at constant and subtotal count are reduced. Okay, here is you see that some row are hide. Okay, that's the main difference between subtotal and normal sum, count, countif, etc. That's all about today's subtotal learning. Hope that you understand very well. Please subscribe my channel Hawk Academy.